This is a 2015 Chevy Camaro. It's a SS package with a 6.2 V8. We just put some nice single chamber V2 mufflers. Customer wanted to liven it up a little bit. It had some Flowmaster 40 mufflers on there. It wasn't quite loud enough. Took the factory mid muffler out and put a True X pipe in there. Has all the factory catalytic converters in there. Trying to give it a little more rumble. Wake it up a little bit more. Let's see what it sounds like.